Hello guys! Everybody loves making their own dressing and salad. So I pre-made salad dressing. What I put is a wine vinegar, black ground pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and mustard powder. And then I have a lot of variety of vegetables here. This is the red onion. I already chopped it, shredded, and then a variety of carrots. I have the white carrots, the yellow carrots, the brown variegated carrots, and the orange carrots. So this is my first time to make this salad. Use the variety of colorful carrots, and I have the purple cabbage here, which is I already shredded it. I decided to blanch all my vegetables, my friends. So I boiled water and then rinse it with lukewarm water and drain it, including the onion. So I have the cucumber here, which is I'm decided to peel it like this, slightly peeling it but not fully peeled. So I have to leave some grain on the outer the exterior. So we decided to chop it this way. Then cut it into small pieces. Small pieces, which is about 4 inches. So the size, I have to put it here in my salad dressing. That's my salad dressing. Then we're gonna put the other vegetables, which is the carrots here. Mix it, and then I decided to use all the whole red pepper, red onion, because I feel that it's so delicious once it's marinated into a vinegar or salad dressing. Yeah, it's not strong because I blanched it. So healthy, my friend. Look at that. It's very colorful already. So I have to add the cabbage. And then mix it, my friend. So look at this. It looks so appealing, you know. Looks so delicious and healthy. And you know what? I love eating this in the morning. Even though this is my breakfast. Actually, one time we decided to eat salad in the morning with no other thing like meat. Just the salad. It feels like it makes you cooler in your body, or refreshing. You feel like it's refreshing. So I'll continue to cut the cucumber and put it on top of my salad to add color, because it's already it has already a lot of color. So we're gonna put, I think it's a great idea to put a little bit of green on top of your salad. See, look at this. So beautiful. I did not remove the inside or this one, the seeds here, because that's already, you can eat it. Yeah. And then use your tongue for mixing it so that the salad dressing will absorb into the vegetables. See, look at this. If it's not enough, the spices or the herbs that you put it in here, you can add in, or the salt, but I did not put a lot of salt. I put a little bit of honey to kick in some sweetness on my salad, just a little bit. Yes, here we go, my friend. Cheers to you all.